Hi, my name is Tanya and I love to travel and explore. Thanks to the global pandemic, I haven't made any long-term trips away from home since March. Until now. I decided to take an excursion to a camper van on the coast of New Jersey where I could socially isolate and still experience something new. In this week's video, we venture out to the coast of Long Beach Island while trying to keep our distance from people. So for breakfast, I'm having some soy chorizo with a fresh egg from the chickens this morning. It was warm when I got it out, so it's like the freshest egg you're ever gonna have in a flour tortilla. Good. Oh my god. So good. So we're starting our day at the northern tip of Long Island at this lighthouse right behind me. You can go to the top and get some great views. I don't know if we're gonna go or not, depends how crowded it is. And there's also a hiking trail you could take to get some great views. So the lighthouse is closed, so we don't have to make the decision whether or not we want to risk going inside because they made the decision for us. They have this beautiful walkway next to the ocean. There's quite a few people, but a lot of them are wearing masks, which is good, and we are too. So there's this really great loop trail right next to the lighthouse in the same park area, and it's amazing. It's a little rainy now, so there's no people on the trail, and it has all these great smells of nature and flowers, and just it's really cute. Sand on the ground and plants off the trail sides. It's really neat. So we came to the closest beach access to the lighthouse. It's called Atlantic Beachfront, and there's a sign that says no parking beyond like this line, but we parked just over here, so we hope it's okay. We'll see if our car has a ticket when we come back. There's no other signs that I could see, so. It was quite a walk from from the road to get here, so I think that means that there won't be too many people. It's nice to have some people in case we run into problems, but not too many so we can still be socially distant, and so far so good. We had some issues at the beginning of this experience with some carnivorous flies. They were like biting us. I've never seen flies that do that before. But then we tilted the shade structure a little bit so that we got more shade, and then some people came in behind the shade structure that I think have food, and now our fly problems are solved and it's all smooth sailing. That sound of the ocean and playing with the sand, it's just perfect for me. Oh man, those eggs I had this morning, they were not so... Oh my god, not good, not good, oh man. Oh my god. I think I feel better now. Can't have the beach without a little Dairy Queen. This morning we went all the way north up Long Island, and now we're going all the way south. So this beach is a little more crowded at this hour. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock. People are pretty distant from each other, but still, you know, it's more crowded than I like. I brought my drone. I was thinking of flying it, but I'm afraid it might be too windy. I mean, this shade structure's getting a lot of wind. So we didn't spend that much time on the beach itself because the proximity of people was just a little too close for my comfort. We went back to the car, and on our way back we flew the drone a little, and then we went back and swam in the ocean, and the waves were just perfect. It was perfect, and there was a lot of social distance once you're in the ocean. So good evening. I think we're going to see if we can find a place to grab another ice cream cone and then head home.